What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to our morning note. I'm running late. My apologies. It is 9:11 Eastern Standard Time. 11 minutes late. That's on me. My apologies. December 31st, 2021, last day of 2021. It's a quick one. Again, I just wanted to kind of do this more for a sense of ceremoniously last morning note of 2021. We'll go over the futures together, but again, my apologies. I was watching a really great movie. I stayed up a little later than usual. I stayed up till 1 in the morning. That never happens, but it was a really good movie. It was called Don't Look Up on Netflix. It was absolutely hilarious and scary at the end, but I recommend you guys watch it. Good morning, guys. Let's talk about the futures, man. I'm not going to bother you by pressing like and all that stuff. You know the drill. You know the drill. It's the last day. It's a Friday. You guys are ready to party. You guys are ready to enjoy your new year. So again, we're going to go straight into it. Not going to waste your time. I'll go over some housekeeping stuff, kind of give you the schedule that's going to come up here in a bit, and we'll go from there. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me see here. I got to write this down. My apologies. Okay, Dow futures down about 50 points. Again, low volume, like very low volume today. NASDAQ is flat. S&P down 0.09%. Russell was down 0.212% this morning. 10-year yields 1.502. 95.85 for the dollar index, down 0.12%. VIX is up slightly 2%. 1769 this morning. Crude oil is down 1.34%. 75.95 a barrel. 1827, gold is up 0.72%, 2327 for silver futures, 0.93%. Euro dollar is about 16 pips, 113.41. 115.08 for the dollar, yen pretty much flat. Crypto is bouncing, 37.99 for Ethereum futures, up 2.26%. Bitcoin futures are up 1.75%, 48,035. 2.2612 for gasoline futures, down 1.32% this morning. So that's where we are. We can take a look at some pre-market movers this morning, and then we can answer some questions. Let's take a look at it. NEO is down 0.59% after an amazing day yesterday, up about 14% on the day. Apple is up slightly, marginally. Again, really the only big mover is Visa, down 0.31%. Nike up 0.19%. Salesforce up 0.14%. S&P futures, S&P movers, Nvidia up 0.55%, AMD 0.82% to the upside. Semiconductors are catching some bids. Norwegian is down 0.95%. Carnival is down 0.58%. Word is that cruises may be canceled due to the Omicron variant. So cruises are taking a hit. I've been saying about cruises for a while. Again, I think airlines are better off than cruises. Remember, cruises is more leisure. Again, airlines are more utility, business travel, that sort of thing. Tesla's up 0.06%, very marginally. Peloton down 1.53% this morning. Baidu down 0.84%. JD.com down 0.57%. And Facebook is pretty much flat. Quick update on my crypto portfolio. Taking a look at crypto this morning. I'm up about 1.62% on the day. Nice. Let's go ahead and take a look of cryptocurrency. Again, my target for the end of the year was 100K on Bitcoin. Boy, I was wrong. I mean, we got as high as 63, but we didn't get there. No worries, it happens. Doesn't mean I'm gonna sell or anything. So that's where we are on cryptocurrency, kind of flat-ish. A couple of green here: Polygon, Shiba, Bitcoin, Ethereum are up. The rest are pretty much down marginally. So again, I wouldn't expect much for the most part. Let's go ahead. Oh, here we go. All right, let's answer some questions. Good morning. Chad is asking, Baba broke closed above 20-day DMA for the first time in 2 months. Do you see more upside here? Let's take a look at Alibaba. I do own it. I'm happy to own it. So taking a look here, you could see that if we do break above 124.08, 124.08 is the level I'm looking for. If that does break, I'd go for around the 128s to the 130s. I think the 130s would be worth a shot. But you have to go for next week. So again, 124.08 for Alibaba. I do own shares. First of the year coming up next week. IRA time. So if you have an IRA, you can deposit in your IRA. I think it's individuals up to $6,000. And guess what I'm going to buy? First day of the new year, I'm going to buy me some more Apple into my IRA. I cannot wait. But Alibaba, again, 124.08 chads. I'm taking a look to buy there for some calls. Let's see if we can get above that. I only have some MU calls. We're chilling right here on the 50-day. I have the 100 calls, so let's see what we get moving forward. But with that being said, here's a couple of things that are coming up. Last day of the year, awesome. Hope everyone has a great time, enjoys themselves, stay safe. Next week, I will be doing the podcast for the top 10 stocks of 2022. I will be doing the review of the top 10 stocks of 2021. So the review of the 2021 stocks, I will do that on YouTube, and no podcast on that. But on 2022 stocks will be a podcast and will be a YouTube channel video. So just keep that in the back of your mind. That'll be coming. Investment Club, I will go over with you the year and everything that we had. I'll see if I can get a video for us together so we can do a YouTube live. And then we'll go over the year in review and kind of look forward to what's next. What happened yesterday with growth stocks? Shorts taking profits? No, I think in terms of the growth stocks, again, they were beaten down. I expected a sell-off, if anything, today because you're going to get tax harvesting. I talked about that with Nick from our company, obviously, G.A.R Capital on Instagram. And we did a live together. So if you want to check that out, I kind of talk about a little more tax harvesting on the live. We did that yesterday around 6 p.m. So it is there. It is on my personal Instagram page. But in terms of the growth stocks, I think maybe there's a lot of positioning too, but it could be some short selling. So again, more likely with that kind of moves, those sharp moves, it looks like the shorts are throwing in the towel. So well done. Thoughts on Clove? I did own Clove this year and I closed it. I for profit. It is now down below $4. We sold it, the team, I think we sold it right around $20. So I would not touch Clove in a sense. Tiva long. Tiva is not, I used to own Tiva and I took a loss on that a while back. So again, looking at it here, it's just continuing to go sideways. I mean, again, if you want some beaten down names, these are probably two of the most beaten down, but they are very cheap for a reason. So I just be very careful, Brano. Happy New Year's, Sovereign. Thank you. Appreciate that. So I apologize for being late. Again, the movie last night, which was really good, is called Don't Look Up with Leonardo DiCaprio, Jennifer Lawrence, Meryl Streep. I mean, it's an ensemble cast, Jonah Hill. They're all in it. And it's about a comet hitting the world. And it's a funny movie. It's on Netflix. I'm not a Netflix shareholder. I do own some Netflix in my portfolio, so it's not like a plug for Netflix. It's just a really good movie. I thought it was great. So I saw that late last night with my wife. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to watch it before the festivities of New Year, cool. But again, I'm writing it down here. 2021 top 10. Top 10. We'll do that as YouTube, and then 2022 top 10. Will be pod plus YouTube. That'll be coming next week. I'm trying to think anything else there. But those are the two things I think everyone's kind of waiting for. That will be coming. Again, I wanted to see the end of the year so I can get the exact number for the 2021 returns for the stocks that we had. That's all. Happy New Year. Oh, guys, great message. Yeah, it is. Taking a look at SPY. I mean, SPY is just going sideways for the most part. Yeah, we had a dip overnight, but it's still holding that 470, 476 support. You're not doing anything today. It's a full day, but unless you see something immediate, I just wouldn't. I mean, it's New Year's Eve. We haven't had New Year's Eve, the stock market open a full day, and the Monday after be open since 2010. That's the first time we've had this. So I would not be doing much. Even Monday may have less volume as well. So just be very careful. Again, you have the whole 2022 coming up. So you have all that to come. What is a good buy level for AMD? Let's take a look at it. AMD, I have a level at 115 for a really good dip buy. So again, 115 is my level to buy the dip on AMD. That's what I'm looking for. All right, guys, we'll leave it there. That is the last morning note for 2021. Thank you so much for joining me. There will not be a morning note on Monday or an aftermarket recap on Monday. I will be out of the office on Monday. I will be out for New Year's. So again, just leaving it there. I will catch you guys on Tuesday. We'll see how the day is going. Enjoy your holiday, guys. You've survived the holiday. Well, you've thrived the holiday. So, I mean, throughout the year. So congratulations on your trading success, your investing success. More than likely, you're doing great. I'm very proud of you all. And I will catch you, sounds cliche, I will catch you next year. I will catch you in 2022. Would I buy Tilray here? No. Tilray, I'd rather have THCX, not Tilray. I don't want single stock risk when it comes to cannabis. I think THCX is better because it has all of them. So I'd rather have THCX than Tilray. It's only like $1 more. All right, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Happy New Year. We'll catch you guys on Tuesday for the morning note. Cheers, guys.